everyone, my name's T here, Community Manager and Head Tester on Velora. We've got another update video for you guys. We hope you had a safe and wonderful July 4th, and I hope you've been using fireworks responsibly and safe, without any injuries. We have a couple of updates for you guys, so it's going to be a short one. Let's start off with our redesigned settings page. Let's click our name, top right, then go to settings. Our settings page has been redesigned and cleaned up to provide a more consistent design language across the Velora platform. Everything has been cleaned up, it's not square anymore, it's streamlined, and overall makes our design language much more consistent across the platform. Staying on the topic of the settings page, after multiple requests and a lot of interest, we finally added embedding. Now you can embed your streams, as well as your stream and chat, on any website that allows embedding. All you have to do is turn on Allow my stream to be embedded on other sites, select how you want the embedding to show. Do you just want to show the player, or do you want to show the player and the chat? If you do end up picking the player and chat, you have an option to move the chat to either show on the right side of the player or below the player, whichever one looks nicer to you. And finally, at the bottom, you'll have your own specialized embedding code. Be very careful where you place this. And of course, once you turn off embedding, it goes completely dark. It shuts off, just like that. Before I move on to the next thing, I am going to show you an update we have done to our player. I'm going to be using Crazy Chicken Boy here as an example. On the surface, the player looks normal. Nothing has changed. Until you look really closely to the player controls, you will see that there is a new option. That's right, you can now change which streaming region you prefer to watch from. We have New York, Chicago, Dallas, Los Angeles, Canada, Toronto, Brazil, I'm not even going to try and pronounce that country, Europe, Germany, United Kingdom, Singapore, Tokyo, and on Australia for Perth and Sydney. We thought it might be a nice quality of life improvement to those who want to use a different region to watch from. Maybe you prefer watching from a region that you yourself think is more reliable. On the topic of the revamped streaming page, Profile Canvas has also gotten a quality of life update. Let's head on over to Profile Canvas on the left-hand side and click Create a New Canvas. The Profile Canvas has also received a UI overhaul, allowing us to bring our UI design more in a consistent manner across the platform. But that is not all we did. Previously, you were limited to 5 pages of creativity. How about we bump that limit to 8 pages? If you go on Velora, go to your settings and go to Profile Canvas and create a new canvas, you can now add up to 8 pages at once, giving you more creativity, flexibility, and allows you to expand your channel About Me beyond just 5 pages. We hope this helps you unlock your creativity and inspire you to bring a little more fleshed out channel About Me pages. On the topic of updates, our mobile app has also received an update. The patch notes are: you can now reply to one message from 4 scrolls ago without yelling at the guy who said the thing. We thought we'd give our patch notes a little bit more of character and personality. For those of you who moderate channels, you can now hold a message to bring up moderation tools like deleting, pinning, or replying. This is useful for if you want to do fast moderation. On top of that, we've improved the way our streams now load and play on mobile, making it more reliable. We've removed the option to use Legacy as a playback option. The Legacy option was used for those with weaker internet that cannot watch a stream in real time, but it provided or introduced constant issues and a latency so high that it would be unbearable to watch. So we decided to completely remove the playback option. And now the player on our mobile app now plays streams smoother, and we have now made stream delivery more reliable and more smoother. If you ever ran into an issue where you posted a photo to your journal, but somehow it goes into drafts on accident, we now have fixed that, and we hope that you are able to write journals without issues through our official Android and iOS app. Make sure to update those. This is a relatively small update video to show what has changed and what has improved. We hope this makes your experience on Velora much more smoother and much more golden. Please consider subscribing to the official Velora.tv YouTube channel, where more tutorials, how-to, showcase videos, as well as what you've missed on Velora videos are to be expected. See you next time.